Python functions that can make your code 10 times easier. Hello everyone, this is Maham Shakir and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will be learning 10 built-in Python functions that every beginner should know. So without further delay, let's get to know about them. So our first built-in Python function is an abs function in Python. This function usually returns an absolute value. Now what is an absolute value? The absolute value is the number of its distance from 0, whether the number is positive or negative, as I've shown in this program. Now our second function in Python is a bin function in Python. So as a computer science student, we all should know about the binary values because our computer only understands binary languages. So what if you want to convert any integer or number into a binary equivalent? You have this function in Python. You can use this bin function in Python to convert any integer into a binary format. Third function is a dict function in Python. Now what if you want to convert any code into a dictionary format? You can use this dict function in Python to convert any code into a dictionary format. What is an eval function in Python? This function used to convert your string into a Python expressions. Like you can multiply or perform any operations between two strings by using this eval function and without getting an error. Now our fifth and the most common function in Python is a float function in Python. As float function in Python is all about to using a decimal values. Like if you are using a decimal values, you should use this float functions to get rid of an error. Sixth function in Python is a hexadecimal function. As I told in the binary function that you can convert any integer into a binary equivalent, you can use this hexadecimal function to convert any number into a hexadecimal format. Use this len function to get to know the length of any list, array, or whatever the user input. This function is used to return the length of any object in Python. Now our eighth function in Python is a list function in Python. This function does nothing, simply convert any object into a list format and show you into a terminal. Our ninth function is a map function in Python. A map function is returns the specified iterator with the specified functions of each item. Our 10th and the final function in Python is a power function in Python. What if you want to know the power of any integer? You can use this function. This power function used to take two arguments inside it, like the one, the base of the number, and second, the exponent of the number. That was the 10 built-in basic Python function that every beginner should know. If you find this video informative, please consider subscribing and I will be back with a new programming video.